think this is the right spell. Hi everyone. So for this devlog, I wanted to start working on the magic system. I think magic will definitely be a core part of gameplay. I won't have anything to show as far as designs or implementation goes, because I used the particle system from the last devlog and the projectile system from a couple devlogs ago, and I sort of just pieced things together to get it to work. But like always, I'll show some of my steps and some of my issues I had to complete this devlog. The first thing I did was to create the ability to have on-hit effects, which will be used for the fire splooge. Then I got a basic implementation done, and the first cast didn't quite look how I thought it would. I then got it to at least hit the other player. I fixed the color, but now it looks like a candy corn. I then fixed the orientation of the model. I then added a particle squirter to the fire splooge, but yeah, the orientation of the particles wasn't correct. Now the particles are aligning correctly, but now I'm seeing this strange rendering artifact. The artifact was then fixed. And then updated the particles to look a bit more flamey. I then noticed this odd desync between the hitbox and the model that's being rendered. I checked the server and the speed was right on point from what I would expect. And this ended up being a client issue, and it was a simple mistake where I was passing in a static time step instead of the actual delta time between frames. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. For the next devlog, I'm not sure if I'll be working on an inventory system or perhaps doing a graphical pass. I haven't quite decided yet, but anyways, take care.